think of the place? I knew you couldn't resist seeing me again.
Is that the deluded lie you've been telling yourself, sitting here in solitude?
The only person lying themselves is you, Wednesday. You sensed the monster in me. You fell in love with it. You're two black-hearted souls ready to pillage the world together.
The only thing you're pillaging is an extra fruit cup at dinner.
You act like you're the smartest person in the room, when you're not.
Then how come I ended up on this side of the bars?
Because you got lucky.